Welcome back. In this video, I will teach you how to create a clickable table of contents for your paperback manuscript using Kindle Create, so let's start. Double-click to open the Kindle Create software. Wait for the program to load. Create a new project and choose the PDF file of your paperback to upload. Wait for the file to import into the software. Scroll down to Chapter 1. Checkbox the Include in Table of Contents, and write the chapter name or chapter number whatever you want in the space below. Now, scroll down to Chapter 2 and repeat the procedure just like Chapter 1. Repeat these steps for all the main headings you want to include in the table of contents. Save the project file. Click on the Preview option, and a new window will pop up. On the left side, under the Table of Contents heading, you see the chapters included in the table of contents. Click on each chapter and verify the clickable table of contents. Let's create a new clickable table of contents for another paperback manuscript. Close this project and create a new project. Choose the PDF file of your paperback to upload. Wait for the file to import into the software. Scroll down to the Table of Contents page and include it in your clickable table of contents. Similarly, include foreword and all of the chapters. Click on the Preview option, you see the TOC, forward, and chapters included in the table of contents. Click on each heading and verify the clickable table of contents. Let's include some subheadings as well. Preview again and you will see subheadings are also included in the table of contents. You can preview your paperback formatting on different tools as I taught you in previous videos. Save the project file. Export your paperback as a KPF file to upload on Kindle. That's all. Please subscribe to learn more.